Hi everybody, I'm Jen Sapola, Program Manager for Healthy Foods for Healthy Kids. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the parts of a plant. So parts of a plant is something that we include as part of our 4th grade lesson in our education cultivation program. We do parts and functions for parts of a plant. So today I'm going to talk about the 5 main parts of a plant. So we have the roots, the stem, the leaves, the flower, and the fruit. So in front of me, you can see I have 2 plants. One has flowers. This is a Thai basil plant. This is an arugula plant that actually has been growing in my garden all winter. I planted it in the fall. So when we talk about the parts of a plant, I'm going to pull this out for you. Shake off some soil. You can see the roots down here. You can see the stem on the arugula plant is actually small down here. We have our leaves. And this arugula plant does not currently have flowers or fruit, obviously, but if we let it grow long enough, eventually it would elongate its stem, it would form some flowers, and then our fruit would grow. Now, the fruit of an arugula plant is not something you'd want to eat. It's kind of bitter, but many of our vegetables, we do eat the fruit. So things like sugar snap peas that we plant in our gardens in the spring, the students eat the sugar snap peas. That's the fruit of the plant. Now, the purpose of a plant fruiting is that it is to reproduce. So if we left the fruits on the plants, they would eventually dry out, fall off, and spread the seeds. Now, all of the things we grow in our school garden are angiosperms or flowering plants. So even though the students don't necessarily get to see all of the parts of the plant, because sometimes we harvest them when they're most delicious, which isn't always at the end of their life cycle, they all would eventually flower and fruit. I hope you enjoyed my quick parts of a plant lesson. Thank you for watching our Do More 24 Parts of a Plant lesson. Please find us on the web at healthyfoodsforhealthykids.org and follow us on social media on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks.